Hey, I live up in Minnesota and it is cold a lot of the year, even into late fall into early spring. And I live on a lake, so having some good waterproof winter work gloves is a big deal for me because there's times when it may not be freezing yet, but it's still quite cold, and I like to have some gloves on for grip and also for warmth. And so that's why I got these. These are from OriStout. OriStout is a company here on Amazon that makes different gloves, and these are their special kind of waterproof work gloves for cold climates. So these are thermal gloves, made for getting wet and made for a very cold climate. So they're waterproof and windproof, and they do dry fast if they do get wet on the outside. They're kind of that neoprene material that you can see. Really nice grippy part on the palm, all the fingers, which is nice. And then you can see that they're quite warm. They're actually very, very comfortable to wear, and you can still have good dexterity with the fingers because they're not so bulky, which is definitely something that I like. So you get lots of good grip and dexterity, kind of, which is what I was talking about, because they're, are pretty form-fitting, but then they're still pretty warm. They're going to keep you warm, and then having that waterproof bonus is even better. So they're supposed to protect up to -4 degrees, which, we definitely get that cold in Minnesota. So they work good for any type of application where you're going to be in the cold or you're going to possibly get your hands wet. Of course, you don't have to limit them to that. It's just kind of an extra bonus if you're ever going to have the possibility of getting them wet. So this is that kind of sandy latex material in the palm here, and what that's going to do is give you that nice grip. So they're cold resistant, like we talked about. They're waterproof, they're windproof, so they're great for any cold climate or outdoor work. All right, so they are still machine washable, which is quite nice too, because a lot of the bigger, bulkier gloves and that are waterproof, you can't actually put in the washer. So those are all kind of great things from this. So the brand again, OriStout, okay, and these are their winter work gloves, waterproof. So check them out. I'll try to show a little video here at the end. I'll attach of them actually in use in the snow.